Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In this particular lecture, I will be dealing with Wilson Theorem, and it's an excellent problem. This type of problems may come in Maths Olympiad or JEE Advanced question papers. Here, this question is an excellent question involving Wilson Theorem and also number theory, many applications, including factorials. You just see, you have to find out the value of x, where 1 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube up to p minus 3 whole cube minus x is divisible by p. If it is divisible by p, what is the value of x? X I am not here finding in terms of p. It will be a numerical value. What is that numerical value of x? That's what we have to find out. Numerical value. It's a very good example. I made it from my own experience. Please try to understand this so that this type of questions do come in the examination. You will be able to solve it. This gives many concepts cleared for you in number theory, Wilson theorem, factorials, and divisible by p, divisible by a prime numbers. Let's proceed further. What is given? Given is that we have to find a real number x. X is a real number such that 1 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube into up to p minus 3 whole cube minus x is divisible by p, an integer or a prime number p. Now, let us try to solve it. Solution. I have already released many lectures on number theory, factorials, Wilson theorem, and also our Fermat's theorem, Fermat's little theorem. Combining all those concepts, I want to solve this advanced type of question. Here, what is the meaning of this? The question is like this. The question can be inferred in this way. 1 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube up to p minus 3 whole cube is equivalent to 0 mod p. Do you agree? This minus x. Because minus x is divisible by p means the remainder is 0. This is what is the equation. We have to solve this equation. We have solved many factorial equations like this, and also huge powers we have done. 101 to the power of 101, 101 factorial. Many big problems we have solved. This is one of the big problems only. What is it? So we will write it again. Please try to understand. 1 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube up to p minus 3 whole cube minus x equivalent to 0 mod p. P is a prime number p, any prime. Primes are up to infinity. Then we have to find a numerical value of x. Please try to understand. I am not finding x in terms of p. It's not an algebraic equation. It's a number theory problem. Then, how do we write? We'll break it. 1 into 2 into 3 up to p minus 3. Is it p minus 3 factorial? Then, what is p minus 1 factorial will be? P minus 1 into p minus 2 into p minus 3 factorial. But what Wilson theorem says? As per Wilson theorem, please try to understand the concepts, please. As per Wilson theorem, p minus 1 factorial is equivalent to minus 1 mod p. From this, what is factorial p minus 1? That's nothing but p minus 1 into p minus 2 into factorial p minus 3. Can I write like this? P minus 1 into p minus 2 into factorial p minus 3 equivalent to, here it is minus 1. Minus 1 mod p. Can I write like this? This is the Wilson theorem. But can we rewrite the Wilson theorem again? P minus 3 factorial only we will write. That will be equivalent to minus 1 whole divided by p minus 1 into p minus 2 into mod p. Can we write like this? What is the problem given to us? 1 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube up to p minus 3 whole cube minus x equivalent 0 mod p. This is what is given to us. That 1 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube, this is all what happens? P minus 3 factorial whole cube minus x equivalent 0 mod p. Do you agree? Can we write this way? P minus 3 whole cube, P minus 3 factorial whole cube equivalent x mod p. We will bring x on the right hand side. And another equation what we have got? P minus 3 factorial from Wilson theory equivalent to minus 1 by p minus 1 into p minus 2 mod P. Are you able to follow? Please follow. This step is very, very important. Now, for the second equation, we will do something. We will cube it. What happens? Let us see. P minus 3 factorial whole cube. Can we write like this? Minus 1 by P minus 1 into P minus 2, this whole cube mod P. We are only rewriting. The second equation in this form. So that this equation, first equation and the second equation looks similar. That means we have got two important equations now. One is P minus 3 factorial whole cube equivalent to x mod P, and second equation is P minus 3 factorial whole cube equivalent to minus 1 by P minus 1 into P minus 2 whole cube into mod P. Are you looking at some similarity in both the equations? The left hand side for both the equations is same. Hence, can we connect these two, x and minus 1, P minus 1, P minus 2 whole cube? Can we connect x and these two from both the equations? When we connect, it will be x equivalent minus 1 by P minus 1 into P minus 2 whole cube into mod P. These operations I have already explained in my previous lectures. Please see them if you want further clarity on Wilson theorem and these operations. Please look at them. Now ultimately we got some value of x. Now we have to find out x from here. The denominator is P minus 1 and P minus 2, P minus 1 into P minus 2. From the denominator, can we write like this? P minus 1 equivalent minus 1 mod P, P minus 2 equivalent minus 2 mod P. You just see, we are only writing P is divided by P is divisible by P. These both mean P is divisible by P. That's all. There is no other meaning. We are only just seeing the denominator and we are writing like this. Now, P minus 1 into P minus 2 equivalent minus 1 into minus 2 into mod P. These are all things simple, but only we have to use our intuition and sharpness while writing the examinations. Then we will connect this with the equation x is equal to minus 1 by P minus 1 into P minus 2 whole cube mod p. We are connecting these two. Connection of the equations I have explained very well in my previous lectures. Please see them. Then, while connecting these two, what happens? The next step will be very, very vital. X is equal to this is nothing but P1, P minus 1, P minus 2 is equivalent to minus 1, minus 2. That will be nothing but P minus 1 into P minus 2 equivalent. Minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. I am only doing ordinary math. This also we will connect. When we connect this, what happens? Minus 1 by P minus 1, P minus 2 can be replaced by 2. Are you able to understand? I will write again. Please try to understand this step. P minus 1 into P minus 2 equivalent 2 mod P. And X is equal to minus 1 by P minus 1 into P minus 2 whole cube mod P. Because mod P is there in both, we are connecting them. We are connecting these two. Wherever P minus 1, P minus 2 is there, that will be replacing with 2. When we connect mod P and other things will remain the same. In the second equation, what happens? X is equal to, X equivalent to minus 1 by 2 whole cube mod P. Are you able to understand? Then X equivalent to minus 1 by 8 mod P. This we have to connect to our previous equation. What is the first question equation? As I told you, I have not found anything, a polynomial or a quadrilateral in terms of P. Whenever there is a prime number P, then X is this value. Now, you just see what is our question? 1 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube up to P minus 3 whole cube minus X zero mod P divisible by P. That means 1 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube up to P minus 3 whole cube is equal to X mod P. This is what is the equation. We have to find the value of X. That is minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8 mod P. When both have mod P, then X is equal to minus 1 by 8. That means the whole equation will be, solution is, answer is 1 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube up to P minus 3 whole cube equivalent minus 1 by 8 mod p. Where minus 1 by 8 is, this is x in our problem. And x can be written as x equivalent minus 1 by 8 mod p. Minus 1 by 8, it is not equivalent, it is equivalent, it is not equal to mod. This is the answer. This is the value of x. Please, if you have any doubt, this is a very good example. Application of Wilson theorem, application of factorials, application of mod, multiplication of mod, equations, congruences, cubes, quadratic equations, everything, concepts are developed in this equation. If you have any doubt in any step, please mention in the comments, I will reply. I will reply to your query. Be thorough in this type of questions in modular arithmetic so that you will be able to understand the concepts of number theory, which is vital for Maths Olympiad, IOQM, RMO, and then your JEE mains and JEE Advanced examinations. If there is a value addition to your knowledge because of this video, please share my channel. Please subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thank you for viewing my lecture. Thank you for listening to me. Best of luck.